today is Good Friday, which means it's Easter long weekend. I'm not camping this weekend because I have a little problem, which I'll show you in a second. Rightio, this is the problem I've got. You see the green line? I've got a hole in my radiator. So we've got to pull this radiator out, and I have a new radiator ready to install. And we'll check out what the problem is with this. I think one of the little fins is got a hole in it. So I've already taken the shroud out, plastic shroud. You'll see that came out really quickly. Check out the last video that I did, but after I drop the fluid out of this, I'm going to just run some fresh water through it a couple of times just to flush it out. Now I know there is down in here somewhere there's a bolt you can take out which empties all the water out of the block. I think last time I flushed it out I found the bolt but I couldn't get it out, so I think it's in behind the alternator there somewhere from what I could tell from the drawings. So it's going to stay and I'll just flush it out. I'm using the same coolant as last time. Here's the coolant, the same coolant, that's what I use. I've used it for years, never had a problem. And then don't forget your demineralised water. Alright, let's drop the fluid out so we can replace this radiator and get back on the road. Rightio. The radiator's out. As you can see, one of these fins, or a couple of these fins, must be leaking up inside there somewhere. Originally I thought it was this weld that had broken and I was going to get it fixed up, but I don't think I can get that fixed up. So I've got to take, I've already taken the plastic off. So I've got to put this plastic back on the new radiator. Right. finished product. New radiator's in, looking smicko. I've just taken it for a drive, got it all nice and hot. You can see the levels a bit down in this one. When it cools down, I'll check all the levels again. And yeah, I've just got to say that by no means am I a mechanic. I'm just a bloke trying to do things for himself, try and save a bit of money. If you like my video, check out my other videos and press the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost you nothing. Hit the like, give me a like, and yeah, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, as you can see here, I've got the old coolant, as much as I could collect, in buckets, and there's some in that drum there as well. Now I keep that. It's very poisonous stuff. It's very poisonous stuff, and you're not meant to let it get into the waterways. So I collect every last drop that I can, and the local council has chemical drop off, and I'll keep that until the next drop off.